Never have you ever peed on the bed. Never have you ever eaten your book. Way back when I was like... Hi mga migugmaon, it's me Karen Love and I'm back again spreading good vibes, fun, and love. So for today's video guys, I am with Shira. It's because kanang nari siya sa balay kay mobalhin na daw siya balay. Ni bakwit siya dari sa amua kay wala lang.
Napulan sa amua.
Actually kanang naghimo may nagtahi me for the donation for our school, Dumanog National High School. So that's it. Nung na siya dari mga sewing machine. So, muna siya guys. So, among himon nga video karon, as you can see in the title, we will be doing a Never Have I Ever vlog challenge. I don't know. Basta Never Have I Ever. So, I posted on my Facebook account and chatted on our group chat. Katong group chat na mo pag senior high. Then, I also asked my kanang mga kapwa YouTubers. So, first, among ansiran ang akong katong mga comments akong post. Ready na kasi. So, we have a card here. It says, never, and I have. First is from Mary Grace Liana. Never have you ever cheated on major exams? Of course, I have. I think kita mong tanan sa.
I have.
Karon siya, pero wala ka karon.
Wala na, di kaya.
Wow.
Di kaya, uy.
From Realin Carillo. Never have you planned to enter a relationship? Wala, Shira. By the way, guys, si Shira, wala siya kasuway, guyab-guyab. Sa man siya. Ako kay. I think I have. I have.
Ang era pag kayo. Magdipindi.
No.
Unsa jud? For now.
Never.
Never.
Okay. So for now, I have, but like, I'm not looking for kanang pilara ka years or nga na I'm looking for a lifetime partner, so that's it. Next is, never have you ever get drunk. Get drunk.
As in wasted?
I don't know.
Dali raman po kay kung mahubog.
Yes, I have.
I have.
Pero wa siya ko suwayo ganang hubog kayo.
Wala ko sa radyo.
Again, from Faith Jasmine. Never have you ever peed in the shower? Of course, I have. Kapila na. Every shower, guro, no? Feel ako gani, mauna pa ang panghi kaysa sa So, mauna pa siya ang pagpanghi kaysa sa pangbubo. Ay, ano din to? Manghi nga din. Unahon din ni mo. Bobo ang dapit sa private part. Ano siya?
I have.
From Ken Felices, never have I ever picked up fallen food in the floor and ate it when no one's around.
I have.
I have also. I don't know when, kanus last, but yes, I have. So next is, never have I ever cheated on a quiz. Of course, I have cheated.
I have.
Yes, I have cheated.
I have.
Of course. Diba? Feel ako kayo, wala student kung wala ng cheat. Even how smart you are, basta lahi ka paagi sa pag-cheat. Next is from Juret Talaba. Never have you ever eat your friend's breakfast. Never. Yeah. Basig dungan tagkuan kay. Pero lahi ra jud
Na may uban nga ng definition nila sa best friend kay may mukaon mga ungkon sa mukaan pagkaan para ma-label as best friend sa kanon number.
It's from Princess Anne. Never have you ever date your friend's boyfriend? Of course, never.
Never. Never.
Alone.
Merg NA na ko.
Not applicable. Ay, third party ra. Third party.
Not applicable. Ay, kung say third party.
I mean like
third wheel.
Ay, third wheel. Hello. Sorry. Third wheel. From April Rose. Never have you ever slept with your crush? Slept, John?
Slept? Unsa nga? Kaning,
ay, pwede ra ka
kanang
sa eskwelahan ka nang naghukdong, pero okay, crush, never ko. Ikaw siya?
Never.
Never, okay.
Never.
So, that's it for the comment section. So, let's go to the mga reply nila nako sa akong gichat, sa among group chat, Pixies Love. Hi, Pixies Love.
Hi, Pixies Love. Vice President ko.
Ako, Vice President man sa dito.
Worst jud na ko nga memory nga. Nakalimot ko nga vice ko. Secretary ko.
First is from Kerwin Ogbamin. Never have you ever slept naked in your room? Ano nga naked?
Naked?
Like, wala dyan?
Never, uy.
Never.
Never.
Never. Yeah.
So, nangyunduman rin ako, pero basin pagbata pa na ako.
Oh. Have you ever kissed someone of the same gender? No, of course. Never.
Never.
I won't do that. Still from Kerwin Ogbamin.
Oh,
Have
God.
you ever shaved since the start of the quarantine?
Shave?
Yeah. What? Armpit?
Armpit?
Of course, I have.
Dili
Armpit.
shave. Plap.
Shave. Armpit din eh. I don't know.
Armpit.
So,
Oh, armpit.
armpit. Yes, armpit. So, that's it. So, si Kerwin na ni-reply sa among to sa group chat. So, next is from kanang sa group chat na mo sa YouTubers of the Philippines. Charot. Watch me. So, from yung YouTube channel is Yula Calara. Never have you ever dreamed that you're dreaming in your dream. Never. Really? Should I?
Ito ka nga.
Gadamgo ka niya. Sa mong damgo. Gadamgo.
Gadamgo ka.
Wow. Never. Still from her, never have you ever told someone to never give up, but you actually did.
I have.
Yes, me too. Kanang ikaw mo-motivate ka sa uban.
Motivate ka niya. Ikaw din. Ikaw.
Hindi
Give
naman
up na
mo.
po ka na.
Next is, never have you ever stolen your seatmate's ballpen and pretend it's yours?
Never.
Never. Butala na to,
Never.
Di siya ko mangawat.
Basta makita noon niya, wala ta kayo
Oo.
lagi sa itagiya.
Kana.
Kana naman. Di mo guro na pagpangawat. Swerte lang jud ka.
Muna siya ang term, swerte.
Swerte.
Next is from the Queen Wonders. Never have I ever went somewhere nang hindi nagpapaalam sa parents. Of course.
I have.
Kanan. Oh, walo. Depende. Kina may uban no nga. Kanang kuan gani daddy's girl or kuan jud kayo. Kanang manangit sa tanang gibuhat. Pero I have.
I have. Usahay ka ng di sila masugot. Kabalo ko di sila masugot.
Di na lang mananghid. So, kung di mo tugtaglaag, ay mo pananghid. Wow,
Hello?
hindot kayo kong advice. Next is from ako si J&O. Never have you ever paid your pamasahe sa jeep? I have.
Ayaw. As
Ikaw
in,
sa kapila.
nakonsensya jud ko. Katong nato
Oh.
kong park mall. Basta.
Ay, o kato no?
Hmm.
Kaya ka kwarta.
Nabili na akong kuan bag. Katong nangadto ta sa kuan. Carbon ba to?
Oh, mura. Kato. Nakasuway sa mi, kaming Jenny. Nagtabi mi sa kuan. Nagtabi mi Miss Jeep. Taas dyan kami kitabian. Gikan mi sa eskulan ba. Then, pag naog pa niya, ako, kuso pa kay kong tingog siya. Ko nga, diri lang. Ano ba ba niya? Pag naog na mo na siya. Wala tayo, wala man tani plite.
Sa
Grabe. So, next is from Crisaline Vistar. Never have you ever been late in the first day of school?
Never.
Never. First day of school,
First day
of course.
school, sa'yo kayo.
Next is from Mayumi Sarino. Never have you ever doing crazy stuffs inside the class and laughing while the discussion is going on. Wait. I think I have.
Mark, I have.
Pero di ko ka-identify gaunsa ko or when.
Magdepende sa maestra.
Oh.
Kaya mo pa naman sa din kuan.
What kind of crazy stuff di ay ang buhaton? Pero I have.
I have.
The next is from Yan Villanueva. Never have you ever had gum in your hair?
I have.
I think I haven't. Never?
Nya akong gigunting.
Still from Yan Villanueva. Never have you ever licked a hot towel in the spa?
I've never been in a spa.
Me too.
Never.
been in a spa. Never have you ever pretend to laugh at a joke that you didn't get?
I have.
Copy lang. Like, as in, sa?
Kunwari lang nakasabot ka.
Especially kanang dili kini mo suod. Kaya mo ulag ikaw mo tanah ha. Unsa di ay? Magkatawa na lang ka.
Nya nakatawa na sila niya. Ikaw rin wala. Ulaw kayo.
Kasi kaya magkatawa na lang ka sa ilang kinatawan. Ano?
Marag mo na kasagaran. Ang kinatawa nila mo yung katawa.
Next is, never have you ever tasted Head and Shoulders shampoo just to confirm if it's real menthol?
Never.
Never. Never have you ever traveled to other places in the Philippines? Kanang kung travel lang gid siya kay kanang laag-laag.
Naglaag.
I have. Yeah.
Paglaag. Ay.
Never have you ever stepped on a dog poop. I have.
I have.
Humot kay siya guys, promise. Humot kay siya.
Bisag dili sa iro.
Oo. Bisag dili sa iro. Yes, I have. Nga na ko
tao.
Oh, feel ako nakuan ko sa tao. Poop sa tao.
Sa Calago, sa baka.
Noon good sa una good. Basically that na kay wala may CR. Kanang public. So, wala CR. So, adto may malibang sa kalibunan. Of course, na po nalibang dito daan. So, accident ba? Maka-step me sa poop sa tao. That's from Amil de Ay. Next is from Jack Andico. Never have you ever tried deciding for someone and it failed? Deciding for someone. What kind of deciding for someone?
Deciding for someone. Murag, na usa. Pero wala pa siya. Wala pa ko kagalo ko.
Nasa'yo pa siya.
Siya pa siya already.
Ako kayo, ako ka-remember.
Pero, never sa siya. Kumutambag ko kay di man ako may dili man siya kuan. Ganun. Dapat ka namang buhaton. Unsay mong buhaton?
Pero nihatag ka, ni advice ka.
Unsay maayo.
So, kani, never have you ever dressed as the opposite sex? I
have.
have.
Boyish.
Next is, never have you ever scared of clowns? Sakto ba siya?
Scared
Oh.
of clowns? I have. I'm always scared of anything.
Not so, but
Everything. Almost everything.
ako kay kuan, not so, pero still I have. I'm scared. I'm still scared. Next is, never have you ever Google your name? Yes, I have. Never have you ever peed on the bed? I have. Way back when I was like, hala, my last kay when I was still in high school.
Last na like grade 6.
Hala, grabe.
Kasi okay ka mamata. Kailaban mo na yun.
Okay, mahadlok kami bawal.
Makasabaan ka.
Never have you ever lied about your age?
I have. Sa chat.
Ako kay, never?
Nakasulay po ko sa kanang networking. Nangutanan sila pila edad. As in, murag,
Unsa mo
tibok
gingon
na,
dai?
tanan na akong istorya kay, dili mo.
Never have you ever met a celebrity?
I have.
But I never talked to any.
Ano lang?
Layo ra kay sad. Like, wala ko katry og na ang celebrity within 5 feet or 10 feet. Layo jud kaayo. Tara.
Kita.
Okay. Never have you ever scared of dark?
I have. Usahay.
But sometimes, I could say never. Oh, this one never, so. Okay, fine. I have.
Sometimes.
Sometimes lang.
Sometimes lang.
Never have you ever laughed so hard that you pee in your pants? I have. Wala lang. Ko nagsaba.
Uy, naman good. Naman good mga
Oh, nandiyan nga.
Kanang grabe na dyan kayo yung kinatawa na iba niya.
Pero gamay ra, oy.
Excuse kay.
Dili jud kay nang daga.
Ay, dili. Uy nga kanang mabasa dyan siya as in tanong dili.
Pero feel ako maabot gid siya sa pants pero gamay ra kayo murag
Gabay na kayo.
very lapit sa ilong. Yun na siya. Never have you ever peed on the pool? Yeah, I have.
Never.
Huh? Wow!
Really? Sa dagat noon.
Sure, oy, sa pool.
Magawas para
Gawas
mag-ihi.
ka? Wow, kabutan mo siya, oy. Tingnan.
Wajan ba ako nagunaw nga napoy mangihi ba ya?
Ha? I thought nga tanan gani mangihi jud oy nakatry og kanang di mangihi. Never have you ever tasted a dog or cat or pig's food? Never.
Pig?
Sino ka on shit?
Pasaw. Kamera mo kayo pa.
Never have you ever eaten your poop? Ginagawa mo. Wait. I don't know. Maybe katong pagkabata ng feel ako na silang ano ako.
Wala.
Wala ka, wala ka ingin.
Ako wala. Gingnan ko wala ko na ko.
Dami siya shake. Last two is, never have you ever eaten exotic foods? I have like, kuan?
Bat.
Oh, bat. Yes. I have eaten bat.
Ako kakaon og iring.
Dog.
Pero bitin.
Bitin. Nakakaon ko. Hello. Next, last is that, never have you ever into a motor accident?
I have.
Kamusta?
Nag-practice ako manghod. Dinisakay
Sakay ka?
ko. Oh.
Ay, pero tumbara?
Atong ba? Ay, dili ka nang pangus-pangus siya.
Oh, I have. Basta di na.
Help?
Oh, kato, I have. Na, mana itong vlog? Bye-bye.
So, in behalf of Dumanog National High School, mga migtabang para alcohol, for hygiene.
Nangayo mig tabang, donations.
Any amount will do.
Yes, especially there's mga alumni. Hey, there, mga alumni sad me. So, if you're willing to give some donations, feel free to PM or chat the teachers or the staffs of Dumanog National High School. You can also PM us. My Facebook account is Calago Tek-ing, and yours?
Sheramae Laparan, or Laparan Sheramae.
So, kanang, ay huwag kaulo guys, mag-chat na mo. It's for, kuan mo po,
Para sa kaayuhan sa tanan.
we're asking for more donations so that we can buy other things like soap, alcohol, even kanang mga thermometer, no? So, before I'll end this video, guys, I'll gonna share to you a verse from Proverbs chapter 13, verse 11. Wealth gained hastily will dwindle, but whoever gathers little by little will increase it. You really don't have to aim gani nga dali gani ma-aim ang success. It's little by little or step by step until kana mo increase sa man gyud na siya until you will get that success. Every step na mo kay ma-learn, though kung magdali gud ka og reach sa imong goal or success, so di mo maagian ang ubang mga challenges nga kuan gani mo pa strengthen sa imong kuan.
Ano pa kay mga lessons nga pwede mo magamit sa sunod na pud na trials.
Yes. So, importante ang kanang ayun pagdali sa success. So, that's it for today's video, guys. This is Karen Love.
And this is Shira.
Thank you for watching this vlog, guys. And stay tuned always in my channel. And by the way, to those who haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be updated because I'll be posting weekly. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Bye-bye. Stay
Bye.
safe.
She's a Mona Lisa.